how to change Visa card on eBay. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can change Visa card on eBay. So, make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up eBay website on your laptop or PC. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Now, you can see your username at the top left corner. Just click on your username. Once you click on it, this thing will open up, and from over here, you want to click on account settings. Once you click on account settings, it's going to take you to the account setting page. Over here, you can see the payments option, so just click on it. Once you click on payments, it's going to take you to the payment section. As you can see, I have already added a card, so you can either delete the current payment method or add the new one by clicking on the add payment options. After clicking on it, you will see this where it says credit or debit card. So just go ahead and mark the circle, then click on continue. After that, it will ask you to enter your card details. After entering all details, your card will be added over here. So that's how you can change Visa card on eBay. That's all for this video.